Oh, and then this one, somebody tagged us in, which is just always fascinating, which is Kyle's Law, Senate Bill 1120, passed the Senate Judiciary Committee in Oklahoma. It is a law that will make murder cases a lot more ridiculous because it will offer payouts for tax dollars to fund those who have committed, quote, justifiable homicide. So let me look it up real quick.
That's crazy. So now you can get paid for killing someone. Like, how does that work if you're a Nazi sympathizer or like a white supremacist that threatens me? Like, am I gonna get paid?
No. they will actually pay your killer, is my understanding, based on what these laws.
No, that's what I'm saying. Like, if I defend myself, am I gonna get paid? Like,
see, that's like what I always feel like. That's the bluff we need to be calling is, Dom and Olsen. I mean, God.
Yo, too much. Like, okay, here's what we should do. Because these are two of the same motherfuckers who are all behind, like, running over and killing protesters. So we just need to get a Back the Blue and Trump fascist Nazi rally to go down a street, right, and invite them to it. And thanks to House Bill 1674, I think we can take care of them both.
Look at this. So this is what they add. When a defendant is found not guilty of murder due to justifiable homicide, the court may order the state to reimburse the defendant for reasonable costs, including but not limited to loss of wages, court costs, attorney fees, and other expenses involved in his or her defense. Reimbursement of costs shall not constitute an independent cause of action. The order reimbursement of reasonable costs, the court shall find the defendant showed by a preponderance of evidence that the homicide was justified and determine the amount of the award. I mean, so
do they define preponderance of evidence in this bill at all?
No, I mean, that's where the subjectivity... Yeah, this is a Rittenhouse law. Yeah, I mean, no. I mean, it's just the arbitrariness of the court. So it's like, yeah, if you died... Like, what? I'm trying to think of my scenarios. Yeah, if you killed a Black Lives Matter protester, that would be okay. If I ran over a fucking anti-masker who was, like, waving a gun at my car, it may not be, like...
You're probably going to prison.
Probably going to jail for that.
Probably not you, like...
Well, yeah.
Me and Taz were definitely getting buried under McAllister.
But like, this is like... This is the argument, though, that I had all last year with the anti-protest bills, is like, this is a horrible way to run a society. Like, we should not be figuring out, like, now, wait a minute, is the judge going to agree with me that I can kill that person? Like, no, like, we just stop killing people. Like,
why are we making it legal to kill people?
Because I don't agree with how you protest, or...
Because, Adriana, it's eye for an eye culture. Okay, that is what it.
So every time a cop kill a black person, should I kill a cop? Like,
right?
What the fuck?
Right. Nobody's arguing.
Can we at least have equity here? Like, can we at least make this equitable?
Adriana, don't you remember? You being black is offensive to these people.
Yeah, I forgot.
But that they ran these things through. I mean, it's just so like. And it's like Dom and Olsen too, who are two of the biggest clowns on the planet. It's like, there's
Olsen literally tried to fight me in the House gallery, bro.
Like, these aren't your serious. Yeah, and all the Republicans voted yes, and all the Democrats voted no. Warren, Brooks, and Floyd.
Stupid.
Yeah. Bullard, Jeck, Learight, Paxton, Weaver, Daniels, and Howard all voted yes.
Stupid.
Yeah.
Just stupid.
For a law that will try to create many little Kyle Rittenhouses. Like, it's just...
There's already enough little Kyle Rittenhouses. There was just a protest shot up in Portland the other day. Like,
Stupid.
And this is why I cannot...
And it's retroactive.
Holy shit.
Provisions of this section shall apply to any pending prosecution for an offense occurring prior to the effective date of this act. Man, who are they trying to cash out with that one?
Cops.
I mean, yeah,
Killer
right.
cops.
Yeah, right. I mean, it's
Killer fucking cops, bro.
It's so insane.
And probably that two-way guy who killed the kid in his house, too. Like, I don't... Yeah, there's a lot.
God damn. These guys are so fucked up. Oh, yeah, no, this is totally an OK2A request bill. Like, this is exactly the kind of shit they get off on.
The guy who's, I believe, the president killed, like, a 16 or 17-year-old kid in his house, like, 2 or 3 years ago for breaking in. So, basically, he was at Bass Pro Shop and got an alert on his phone that someone was breaking in, and he drove 30 minutes home and killed the kid. Like, that's premeditated murder.
You know, I'm really interested in, like a Unite Norman OK2 collab and why that hasn't happened yet.
My gosh.
It's the same people.
And Timothy Harper, like, we just...
Like, you got Sasan, who's, like, got a brick in his hand. You got Timothy Harper, who's got, like...
With his AK and Bobo's chicken.
And, like, it's just all, like, you know...
Bruh.
Why not? Like, you might as well... Not to give you ideas.
I love that these are the guys too that want to ban books and like let's not talk about racism and then like white supremacy protection law. It's like you're literally codifying like just insane race-based violence. Thanks for watching our video. Please give it a like and hit that subscribe button for more content. If you want to engage with us, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Twitch, and Instagram.